I'm your huckleberry.
Hey guys, RCMR here. My roommate just picked up the Arrma Fury, the 550 Mega, and this is a pretty cool looking little truck. Man, it's a bright green too, man. I think it's gonna stand out definitely. Well, we're gonna take it today and we're gonna go speed run it and go try it out. Easier to run it stock first. It's got the 14 turn Spectrum brushed motor in it, Spectrum ESC, and he's gonna make it brushless. I like the hidden clip design too for the body. But man, it's a good looking little truck. So yeah, we're gonna take this out, go run it, and just see how it does out of the box. But we will see y'all outside here in a few seconds. All right guys, we're at my usual speed run spot right now. My roommate's got control of the car. So what we're gonna do is a quick speed run on this and see what the top speed is on it. All right. All right, let's see what that is. .23 miles an hour. That's not too bad. I like that for stock brushed. Anyway, guys, we're gonna leave you with some running footage. So I hope y'all enjoy it. Y'all be good and take care.